What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Break My Heart by Dua Lipa on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial, I will include a skip to section right here, so you can skip to the chords or the strumming for this song if you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video. I totally get it, but if you do, I'd love you forever. Also, what I do want to note is I uploaded the full play along for this song. It's already live on YouTube. You can check the top of the comments or the link in the description, and it'll take you to the full play along video. And that video basically consists of the chords and lyrics on screen while I sing and strum the entire song. So it's an easy play along for you. So definitely go check that video out after you watch this, learn the chords, learn the strumming, and then head over to the play along. But with that all said and done, let's go ahead and learn the chords and strumming that we need for this song. So this song has 6 chords, and those chords are B minor, C, C major 7, D, E minor, and last but not least, G. So if you're like, Ricky, I know all those chords, let's move on to the strumming. Again, skip to section will be your best friend. Skip to whatever timestamp it says for the strumming. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, please help me. I don't know any of these chords. I need you to guide me through. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're gonna go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about strumming. So if you wanna learn the chords and go step by step, then just keep on watching. But before we talk about the chords, let's quickly talk about how we number the strings and the frets. And if you're like, Ricky, I didn't know that we numbered the strings and the frets, then this section is definitely for you. So let's go pick up our uke, and the top string is going to be the 4th string. The next one down is going to be the 3rd. The next one down is going to be the 2nd. And the last one at the bottom, which you probably already guessed, is going to be the 1st. So it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's go ahead and look at our fretboard, and I'm going to do that beauty guru, put your hand behind the product or item. In this case, it's a uke. This is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, and 5th fret. So you see that dot, that is the 5th fret. So whenever I say put your finger on the 1st fret, you're going to put your finger in between these 2 lines. This is the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Alright, so let's learn these chords. As always, I will include a visual representation of where you put your fingers on the uke. I feel like it just helps when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. It's just like a double whammy. So let's talk about the first chord, which is the B minor chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret. And then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, which again is the top string. 4th string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, which again, that's the bottom string, 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C major 7 chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to go over the top 2 strings, which is the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. So you're occupying the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string on the 2nd fret. You can also play it with the 3 fingers, the pointer finger, middle finger, and ring finger, but I just feel like it's more comfortable for me when I play it this way, but you can play the traditional way if you like, but they both will sound like this. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. So how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. If you do need a little bit extra time, make sure to press the pause button, rewind to whatever chord or section of the video that you need a little bit more time on. And once you get that down and all the chords sound crisp and clear, make sure to press play. And now let's talk about how we actually play the song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just talked about chords. Now let's talk about how we play this song with the strumming. So I'm going to teach you a few different variations that you can do for the song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I don't even want to include a strumming just yet. I don't feel comfortable just yet. I just want to get through the song. So basically for the true beginner, you're just going to strum down whenever you see a chord change. And again, I will have the entire chord sheet in the description so you can copy and paste it and keep it for yourself. That basically has the lyrics and then the chord right above the actual word so you know when to change chords. So again, you're just going to strum down. So that is the first way that you can do it. The second way is going to be with a chuck. So we have the E minor chord down still. So it's going to be a down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So let's do that one more time. In 3, 2, 1, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Now if you're like, Ricky, I don't even know how to chuck. Basically what you're doing is you're going to be playing the strings, all 4 strings, and then muting just as soon as you play all 4 strings. So it's going to be strum, chuck. So obviously when you do it quicker, so you're just muting the strings with this sort of meaty portion of your hand right here, and it's just kind of like laying down on the strings. So again, that strumming pattern with the chuck is going to be a down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Now if you're like, Ricky, I've tried the chuck and it's not my friend, or I just don't like how the chuck sounds, you can do the third way, which is just the strumming pattern without the chuck. So you have the E minor chord down, and that's just going to be a down, down, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time. In 3, 2, 1, down, down, up, down, up. Alright, so we talked about the chords and the strumming for this song, so congratulations, you now know how to play Break My Heart by Dua Lipa on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, what I do want to give a huge shout out to you watching. Thank you so much for watching this video and liking this video and just supporting this channel, because every time you watch these videos and you interact, leave a comment, it really does help a lot and helps me grow and make better videos and more videos for you. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Also, make sure to leave your song suggestions in the comments below. I always love reading them, and I do write them down. I have a whole Excel spreadsheet of all the songs that you all recommend. So make sure to leave your recommendation in the comments, and also give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and let's spread the ukulele joy. Another huge shout out that I do want to give is to the Leilani Kumu team for sending me this absolutely beauty of a uke. As you can see, it is absolutely stunning. It has a nice glossy finish. It is the Hawaiian koa wood for the back, top, and sides, and it has a thin body. Also, what makes this uke just super special is, I don't know if it's gonna focus on here, focus. It has the built-in X1 Pro, so you just push that button, and then you can mess with the chorus, reverb, delay, and volume, and it just sounds. It literally sounds like an electric uke, but it's all built in. Also, you can plug it into an amp if you do want to add that extra oomph for your uke. So again, thank you so much to the team at Leilani Kumu for sending me this uke. If you do want to get this uke, if you're like, I need a really good Hawaiian ukulele, this is definitely for you. And they also have the Leilani series as well. You can go shop all their ukes at leilaniukulele.com. And one huge thing is they want to give back to you and save you money, which is huge. So if you use code Ricky2020, you can save 10% off the entire purchase at checkout. Again, who doesn't love to save money? The code is Ricky2020. You can save 10% off your purchase at the leilaniukulele.com checkout. Again, this one is absolutely amazing. They have a different series for the Kumus and Leilani's. And I mean, guys, look at that. She beautiful. Look at that. I mean, I'm in love. Another really exciting thing is that we officially have our Uke Fam merch. I am wearing it right now. This is the hoodie and it has our logo on it. So we officially have merch. If you do want to go check it out and get yourself one of these, we have shirts, we have hoodies, we have hats, we have mugs. We literally have everything. Make sure to check the link in the description to get your official Uke Fam merch. Let me know if you do get it and send me a picture or a DM or whatever, letting me know that you got it so I can thank you personally. Also, this is the logo. I'm super excited. We worked really hard on it and I just love how it turns out. And we have a bunch of different colors for every item that we have in the store. So we have like pink, baby blue, blue, dark blue, navy, black, red, orange, green, light green. Literally you have every color under the sun. So make sure to get yourself some merch. I can't thank you enough for the people who have supported and got the merch. It's absolutely mind-blowing how many of you actually bought some items. So thank you again to everybody who's gotten it, and definitely go check the links in the description. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. If you do get merch, make sure to send me a picture or tag me in your pictures what you're wearing it. I want to see you guys rock the Uke Fam merch. You guys are absolutely amazing and you guys are so supportive. So I can't thank you enough for everything you've done. You've absolutely changed my life. So yeah, thank you so much. Again, follow me on Instagram, get some merch. If you want to go to Leilani Ukulele and get yourself one of the official Hawaiian ukes, absolutely amazing. Absolutely love this one. Literally one of my favorites. Everything will be in the description below. All the links to everything will be there. So thank you so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys and see you in my next video. And we'll vibe out together in a different song. Again, let me know your song recommendations in the comments below. I'm gonna go because this video is long enough. But thank you again for watching and hanging out with me for these 10-15 minutes. I love you. I'll see you later. Bye. I don't know what that was. Bye. Bye.